around Bass Lake. We're almost at Bass Lake. There's a lot of snow on the side of the road at Bass Lake. I think it's gonna take at least a week for all the snow to melt. But looking at the weather forecast, I don't think that it's gonna melt anytime soon because it's cold at night. So we're gonna go trout fishing in the snow. Okay, it's a lot of snow. Same spot that we were here last time. Hopefully we'll catch our limit quick. All right, so wish us luck. We'll keep you guys posted. Wow. All blankets of fish. Snow. Go caught. It's a big one. It's a big one. Keep going. Keep going. You got the first fish. Yes, keep going. Come on, faster. It's coming. It's still in there. Right, it's coming. I see it right there. See? See that? See? There we go. Good job. Right there. Wow, today it's not too cold, but there's a lot of snow. This bank right here, before it was just sand and rocks, but now it's covered in snow. Seems like people fished here already. When we came earlier, it was already like footprints all over the place here. So here, all the snows. This is a third fish. Third fish. Hey, you're fishing.
자, 뜯자. 가만. 뜯자.
Go reel the fish. That's your fishing pole. Reel it in. Reel it in. That's a big one. Come on. You can feel it moving? Easy. It's a big one. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. Come on, reel. Keep going. Oh, yeah, this is a big one. Whoa. Good job. Keep going. Let it tire out first. There you go. Oh, keep going. That's a big one. Back up a little bit more. Oh. Yeah. Whoa. That's a nice one right there. Now that's a fish. Keep going. There you go.
Let me take picture.
Hold it. Hold the fish. Hold the fish.
Take the picture. Sit with the fish.
Yeah. Sit down. Sit down with the fish. Sit down with the fish. Sit. Because it's the color.
Look at
Look
her.
at Lomba.
Hold the paw.
Hold the fishing pole.
Ah,
Hi, Sayo.
good job.
All right. Sit. Yes, it is very reasonable. Bây giờ nó tao ít một tờ là tao chỉ tuần chơi 1.5 hours for 5 fish. It's not too bad, but it's getting too cold. Right now it's 5 o'clock. It's getting too cold. We're gonna head home right now. Next time. Until next time, Bass Lake. Look at that. That's a lot of snow. Bây giờ cái đổi cho snow đó nó thông rồi à? Còn chưa tuần chơi, tuần chơi thế khó.
Đó là con trên này.
Bây giờ con đã có tiết rồi đó.